Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to PSG News. I'm your host Monica Johan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight. 4 members participated in Asia Pacific Regional Youth Leadership Training Course 2024 in Bangladesh. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS retired Chief National Commissioner of PSG, made the Vice President of India and the Railway Minister. National level youth forum for rovers and rangers started in Chhattisgarh. National level Kub and Bulbul Mahotsav hosted by the East Central Railway State. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir State, Shri Manoj Sinha. Scout and Guides participated in the yoga session with Governor of West Bengal. International Yoga Day was observed at the Pan-India level. The BSD DSD ServSma 2.0 in Tamil and Bengali language was conducted by the national headquarters virtually. The National Pulse Polio Program was conducted by Jabalpur Kathani and Satna district by the members of West Central Railway State. Adventure programs were conducted by Panchmari and National Youth Complex Gatpuri. State-level specialized course on first aid and vocational craft were conducted by Eastern Railway State. A summer Jal Seva camp organized by Odisha State. Ambulance batch workshop conducted at Chennai, Tamil Nadu State. Let's get into the brief news. International event. 4 members of Bharat Scout and Guides represented India in the Asia Pacific Regional Youth Leadership Training Course 2024 at Bangladesh from 24 to 27th of June 2024. About 50 young members from different nations scout organizations participated in the event. NHQ. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS retired Chief National Commissioner of BSG along with Shri Gopal Aryaji from Paryavaran Sarakshan Gatividhi had a fruitful discussion with the Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, Honorable Vice President, who have always been very supportive to the activities of young members of the Bharat Scout and Guides. Honorable Vice President assured the best possible support for strengthening the movement. It was a proud moment for entire BSG family that Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS retired Chief National Commissioner, met and aligned Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, Rail Minister, Government of India, about various activities conducted by Bharat Scout and Guides. He, along with Gopal Aryaji from Paryavaran Sangrakshak Gatividhi, present a book, What is Scouting, to Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji. The Bharat Scout and Guides National Headquarters is conducting a national level youth forum for rovers and rangers from 26 June 2024 to 30th of June 2024 at CIPET Education Hub, Syamudi, Korba, hosted by Chhattisgarh State. In the youth forum, 277 participants from 9 states took a part. Ms. Shivangi Saxena, Assistant Director, Center, the Western Region, was the leader of the youth forum. The Bharat Scout and Guides National Headquarters conduct a national level Kub Bulbul Mahotsav at Virendra Sharma Scout Park, Boroni, East Central Railway from 26th to 30th of June 2028. The Mahotsav was inaugurated by Chief Guest Shri Shiv Kumar Prasad, State Chief Commissioner of East Central Railway, along with Shiv Vivek Bhushanshu, Divisional Railway Manager of Central Railway, State Bharat Scout and Guides. 179 Kub Bulbul and unit leaders participated in this Mahotsav. Srimati Surekha Srivastav, Deputy Director of Guide Girl Program, was the leader of the Mahotsav. The Theme Park Committee had a productive meeting to discuss the development of new theme park at NTC and NAI Panchmari on 23rd of June 2028. This park, a part of YLACC project, aim to educate young Scout and Guides about environment, nature and biodiversity. The Bharat Scout and Guides had the incredible opportunity to host environmental Scout and Guide from Paryavaran Sarakshan Gatividhi pioneers in environmental conversation from 22nd to 25th of June 2024. 50 candidates members gathered for a meetup filled with the engaging activity, meaningful discuss. This collaboration aimed to strengthen the environment focus in the organization across India. Jammu and Kashmir. Lieutenant Governor Shri Manoj Sinha addressed the Scout and Guides at the annual state level Kamrui 2024 of Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scout and Guides at International Youth Hostel Sonamar on 25th of June 2024. In his address, he described the Scout and Guides as a symbol of selfless service, discipline, dedication and leadership in national building. 207 participants from 10 districts of Jammu and Kashmir actively participate in this campaign. West Bengal. Under the august presence of Honorable Governor of West Bengal Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Scout and Guides of West Calcutta Local Association, West Bengal participated in a yoga session at Raj Bhavan, Calcutta on the occasion of 10th International Yoga Day. Project CLAP. The Sainam District Association Scout and Guides of Tamil Nadu, under the leadership of Mr. Sai Prakash Leo Muthu, Chairman and CEO, Chief Commissioner of Sainam District Association, conduct a awareness of campaign in commemoration of World Scout Avoidance Day under Project CLAP for school students on the 26th of June 2024. The campaign aimed to raise awareness about the perils of drug abuse and promoting the drug-free lifestyle. And TCSW. The basic course for commissioners was conducted at the National Training Center, Panchmari from 24 to 28th of June 2024. 32 participants from Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, KVS, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha state participated. Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Director in charge of the Bharat Scout and Guides, inaugurated the course. Sri S.S. Ray, Deputy Director, Scout Leader Trainer, was the leader of the course. International Yoga Day. On 21st of June 2024, on 10th International Yoga Day was celebrated by the great enthusiasm by the members of Bharat Scout and Guides across the country. Yoga Feast. 4 regional level Yoga Feast 2024 and workshop on health and hygiene on SDG 3 for Scout and Guides, Rover and Rangers were conducted from 19th to 23rd of June 2024. Eastern Region Yoga Feast was conducted at the East Central Railway District Training Center, Sonpur, under the leadership of Sri Mahinder Sharma, Assistant Director. The program was inaugurated by Division Railway Manager, Sonpur, and the President of Women Welfare Organization, Sonpur. Northeastern Region Yoga Feast conducted at Hatim Chowari Shishu Niketan, Goromari, Kamrup, Assam, under the leadership of Sri Karnail Singh. Northern, Central and Western Region Yoga Feast was conducted at the State Training Center, Ambala, Kent, Haryana, under the leadership of Ms. Shivangi Saxena, Assistant Director, Central and Western Region. Sri Sudhir Kalra, District Elementary Education Officer, inaugurated the workshop. Southern Region Yoga Feast was conducted at the Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur District, Andhra Pradesh. The workshop was conducted under the leadership of Ms. Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director of Southern Region. Day was also celebrated by the participants, staff and office at the NAI Panchmari, Kurasong, Darjeeling and National Headquarters. BSG DSG Sir Smart 2.0. BSG DSG Sir Smart 2.0 program was conducted virtually from Tamil Nadu state from 20 to 22 June 2024. The training aimed to equal leaders the knowledge and education young people about internet risk and safety. 40 rovers and rangers and unit leaders, participant facilitators, Bless John and National Master Trainer Dhanush Janardhan lead the session, ensure and engage the experience. The BSG DSG Sir Smart 2.0 conduct a training session in a unit leader in Bengali from 23rd to 25th of June 2024. 35 unit leaders participated. Facilitator Nobin Banerjee along with state trainer Surojit Datta, Prasanjit Karmakar and Anurag Shu lead the session, sharing their expertise and insight. Project Coordinator Jayashri Valmare also attend the support and coordinate both the programs. And AI Panchmari. Special National Adventure Program conduct at the National Adventure Institute Panchmari from 26th to 30th of June 2024 under Mrs. Bilkis Sheikh, IC Adventure Program Officer. 241 participants from Chhattisgarh state participated and participants enjoy various adventure activities during the program like rock climbing, eagle shooting, archery, outskirts crossing and trekking in Jatashankar, Bee Fall and Pandav Caves. Igatpuri, Manali. National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at the Manali, Himachal Pradesh from 22nd to 26th of June 2024 under the leadership of Mr. R.S. Thakur, Warden cum Quartermaster. 154 participants from Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and West Bengal state participated. Adventure activities like rock climbing, obstacle crossing, shooting, archery and trekking, etc. were conducted during the program. Get to the state news. SEC Railway, member of the Bharat Scout and Guides, Southeastern Central Railway State, rendered service at the Golden Temple, Amritsar during the annual trekking camp cum environment awareness program of Veer Azad Group, Bilaspur. at the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra J&K and Amritsar, Punjab on 23rd of June 2024. 50 Cubs, Bulbul, Scout, Guides, Rover, Ranger participated volunteers from Golden Temple appreciated the enthusiasm and dedication of young Scout and Guides. West Central Railway. The National Pulse Polio Program was organized by the West Central Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides at Jabalpur, Gadni, Satna district on 23rd of June 2024. 60 Scout and Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders of Jabalpur district had given their valuable service at the various places under the guidance of the State Commissioner Guide Dr. Nirmala Gupta. Eastern Railway. State level specialized course on first aid was organized by Eastern Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides at the State Training Park, Madhupur from 28th to 22nd of June 2024. 42 unit leaders from various district associations participated. State level vocational craft course was conducted by Eastern Railway at Jamalpur from 18th to 22nd of June 2024. 36 rovers and rangers participated in the course. Various subjects as per the set syllabus were dealt by the expert in both of course. A summer Jal Seva camp was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scout and Guides in a different area of different district in a June 2024. 1285 Scout, Guide, Rover, Ranger and unit leaders distribute lemon, curd, mint water, watermelon to the people and water to animal and birds. They also create awareness about sunstroke among the general public, thought leaflets and banners to different places. Haryana. The Himalaya Wood Batch course for Scoutmaster was conducted at the State Training Center Tara Devi from 17th to 23rd of June 2024, in which 35 participants from Haryana State participated. Shri L.S. Verma, State Training Commissioner Scout, to lead the course. Northern Railway. Northern Railway State conduct a level basic course for flock leaders, guides, captains, rangers leaders. 3 advanced courses for flock leaders, guide, captain and rangers leaders at Leela Devi Training Center, Rayawala from 18th to 24th of June 2024. 97 candidates participated in this training course. Uttarakhand. International Yoga Day was celebrated by Uttarakhand State Bharat Scout and Guides at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Residence Hostel, Nainital district on 21st of June 2024. On this occasion, 53 participants included local MLA Dr. Mohan Singh Bisht, group leader and warden Dr. Himanshu Pandey, Kalpana Pandey and other members participated. Kerala. The basic course for guide captains for Talibaramba District Association was conducted at Regional Training Center of Naduvadu, Kerala from 20th to 26th of June 2024. 38 unit leaders from 5 local associations participated. Ms. Divya Prabha, Assistant Leader Trainer Guide, was the leader of the course. International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was conducted in the various units of Scout, Guide, Rover and Rangers across the district association. 230 Scout, Guide, Rangers and Rovers participated in the event. They organized a rally and took anti-drug oath. The program was inaugurated by Assistant Excise Inspector V. Manoj. Southern Railway. The Southern Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a state-level membership growth summit 2024 at Scout Lane, Rajahmundry from 20th to 22nd of June 2024. DOC of the all district along with the district growth coordinators participated in this summit. Tamil Nadu. The Ambulance Prophecy Batch workshop conducted at Chinmaya Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Anna Nagar, Chennai, Tamil Nadu on 22nd of June 2024. 583 Scout and Guides and 43 Scout Master and Guide Captain attend the workshop. Mr. S. Jayaraman, Leader Trainer Scout, Mrs. I. Ravati, Leader Trainer Guide and Mr. P. K. Nagesh, Assistant Leader Trainer Scout were the leaders of the workshop. Let's move to the new issue, its circular. Circular number 98. Asia Pacific Regional Young Women in Governance Workshop 31st August to 15th of September 2024, Maldives. Circular number 99. Golden Arrow Award of the Year 2024. Circular number 100. Observation of Bird Population Day 2024. Circular number 104. Annual Report of Success Story for the year 2023 and 24. Circular number 106. Translation team required a translate YLACC curriculum in 5 regional languages: Hindi, Bengali, Orisi, Tamil, Marathi and Malayalam. Circular number 107. International Camp for Girl Guide and Rangers, Kelowna 2024, Sri Lanka 19 to 23rd of August 2024. Circular number 108. PSG TSG serves Smart 2.0 virtual training of the regional language for unit leaders. Circular number 110. Appointmental national level workshop in climate change for rovers and rangers. Circular number 111. Results of Bharat Scout and Guides achievement in May 2024. Circular number 112. Reminder annual report and success story for the year of 2023 and 24. Circular number 130. Submission of annual census membership data for the year 2023 and year 2024. Circular number 140. Releasing an activity pack on adolescent health and health harmony. Circular number 150. Celebrating a One Mahotsav under Project CLAP. Thank you.